What if I tell you you can sell t-shirts without the hassle of handling production or shipping? Imagine running your own online store, selling custom t-shirts and other products without ever worrying about production, inventory or shipping. In this way, you can focus entirely on your creativity and marketing, while a third-party online handle everything else, from printing your designs on high-quality apparel to delivering them directly to your customers. This means you can start your own business with minimal risk, no upfront cost, and the freedom to scale as big as you can dream. Whether you are a designer, an entrepreneur, or simply someone with a passion for design, this is your chance to turn your ideas into a profitable online business. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, and thank you so much to my returning subscribers. Don't forget to like this video. Let's jump right in. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of selling your own custom design t-shirts without thinking about production and delivery. We will use only two websites. The first one is Canva. Download Canva on your mobile phone or laptop. Open it and you will see this interface. So what you are going to do is to search for designs for t-shirts at the search button or at the search bar. Here comes so many designs you can edit for your t-shirts. So you can choose any of the designs here, and then all you are going to do is to edit it. So I've chosen one of them. For example, assuming you chose this one, you can change the color and even add so many things to it to make it a very nice and beautiful design. I had already designed one, so I'm going to select the one I designed already. So I'm going back to select it, and you all see the design I created with Canva. So here comes the design. Life is better with Jesus. Yeah, very beautiful and amazing. So guys, there is no limit to the number of designs you can design with Canva. It's unlimited. The second website we are using for this business is a print-on-demand website called Printify. A print-on-demand service like Printful allows you to design and sell t-shirts without the hassle of handling production or shipping. This business model is ideal for creatives or anyone with a passion for design. It offers a low-risk way to start a profitable online store. Printify is free to start with, and with Printify, you can sell a wide range of items including t-shirts, hoodies, masks, and many more. So all you have to do is to click on the sign up button on printify.com. Just click on sign up and then sign up. Upon a successful sign up, you are going to see this interface where Printify asks you what brings you there. So choose you are new there, and then choose what best describes you. So there are so many options there, like artist or designer, so individual, business. So you can choose individual, and then you can also choose an artist or designer. Then you go to the next. So after clicking on the next, let's wait for Printify. So after clicking the next, Printify will ask you what you have experience in. So you can choose designing products, social media, marketing, and advertising. Because we are going to use social media to advertise our business, so choose social media. Where did you hear about Printify? Choose it and then select the country where you would like to sell. I suggest you want to sell globally so that anybody from around the world can purchase your products upon conclusion. So here it's asking how you heard about Printify. Definitely you are watching this video, you heard it on YouTube, so click on YouTube and then click complete. So upon a successful completion, Printify will bring you to this interface where it offers you a 20% discount when you upgrade to the Printify Premium. So on this interface, you can create your first product on this interface. So I'm just navigating through the Printify website for you to see what is on this interface at the website. So as I said, you can create your first product. There's an option there for create your first product there, and there's an option also for integrating it with your online store. If you have an online store like Shopify, Etsy, there is an option for that. So here, click on create your first product and it will bring you to this interface where you can choose from a wide range of products that Printify offers. Printify has so many products including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, masks, and many more. So you can choose them here and then you add your design to it. For the purpose of this video, we are designing a t-shirt, so you can select any of the t-shirts available there from the sellers. So all you have to do is to just add your design. So select the t-shirts of your choice and then right below it there is start designing there. So click on start designing and there you can add your design. So this is the various views of the t-shirts without the design. So what you are going to do is to click on edit so that you can be able to upload your design to the t-shirts. So I'm going to upload the design we created on Canva here to the t-shirts. So I've been able to successfully upload it, and after that you click on save. So click on save and then you can see or preview to see how the design appeared on the t-shirt. So let's preview one of them. That's so amazing, that's beautiful. So you can click on save and then proceed. If you are enjoying this video, please click on the subscribe button now. Show me some appreciation. Let's continue. After saving, this interface opens. So Printify congratulates us for creating our first product. Let's click on continue to publish. So after publishing, you are going to fill certain details like the store name, ship from address, other settings, Printify Connect, Brandle, and many more. So for that one, you can take your time and do that on your phone. Let's move straight to connecting it to your online store or connecting it to your own website so that you can sell it. Lest I forget, I want to add that even if you don't have a website, you can still sell from your Printify dashboard, where you create your link, your unique link, and then you share that link with your friends and family, or you can even post the link on your Facebook platform or on your own page. Go back and click on connect to Etsy, Shopify, or etc. So here you can connect it to your online store. If you already have an Amazon store, Etsy, or Shopify, you can connect it to your store so that the product you design here appears at the front of your store. So if you don't have any of those online stores, you can create one and then you connect. I have connected my Etsy online store to my Printify. So after publishing on Printify, it appears on my Etsy online store, meaning that the millions of customers visiting Etsy will be able to view my product and purchase it. A product which took me few minutes to create online without thinking about production or even delivery. All I needed to do was to design the product and make it available on my store. So the product will appear among other t-shirts on Etsy, and anytime a buyer clicks on my product, Printify will take it from there. Printify will design the products, not necessarily because I've already designed it. Printify will print the design on the product and ship it to the customer. Look at how easy it is to make money online. What are you waiting for? If you have still not subscribed at this juncture, make sure you click on that subscribe button before leaving this video. And don't forget to like. Please show some appreciation. Click on the subscribe button now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Have any questions or other passive income ideas, drop them in the comment section below. Bye.